So, this is going to be our first video on pit bikes and stuff, I guess, for this video. We're always doing all kinds of different random stuff, and just figured we'd start making some videos about all this different stuff that we do. So, for right now, we're going to do a video on this bigger bike here. It's an Apollo AGB 37, I think it is. It's got the 17-inch front wheel, 14-inch rear wheel. It's made for a little bit bigger rider. I'm like 6 foot, 200 something pounds, and it rides me just fine. Here comes one of the kids, it looks like. We're going to do an install video for eBay Muffler, those little $20 ones. Here comes one of the kiddos. He's going to be our helper, and we'll get back to you in just a second. Okay guys, like I said, it's our kind of first video. That's just me today. You're going to see a lot more of a good friend of mine and his kid. And we're best friends. Our kids are best friends. Works out cool. So what we're doing here is we're going to do the eBay Muffler install on this Apollo here. It's a little bit bigger Apollo. I forgot this wasn't a 10 milli. It's an Allen head. Whoops, sorry about that. Bumped you guys around a little bit. There we go. That says my first video, so you have to forgive me on not the most perfect shots and all that kind of stuff. So on these, there's just a single bolt here. There's a rubber tab here. It usually pulls out. Not a huge deal. Just pop that sucker back in there. We're always doing all kinds of different things. We're always riding bikes and building stuff and fixing cars and making stuff and do some CNC metal cutting, stuff like that. Just all kinds of fun stuff. Just thought we'd start sharing. My daughter's just walked in now. Making a video on how to install these little mufflers on these bikes. She's mouthing words to me because she doesn't want to be on camera. But that's okay. Anyway, I'm using a 10 millimeter here with the ratchet, the one I'm spinning here, and then a box in 12 millimeter on the back, just to get these connections loose. We'll pop these off. Duck our little spacer back there, no big deal. So that's off. That's all there is to that. Probably going to want to grab our spacer, I'm sure. Grab that muffler and show you guys what we got. So this is just your run-of-the-mill, cheapy eBay muffler. It was literally 20 bucks. Took a few days to get here. No big deal. What you want to do is, there's a couple different sizes. There's like a 28 mil and a 38 millimeter. You just need to measure either here or here, wherever you're going to meet up with, and decide what size you need. I decided a 27 mil is going to work well for me, and looks like it fits good. So we'll just get this on here. Looks like I didn't need to loosen this up after all. So we'll go ahead and retighten that, since it doesn't need to be off. Everything's going to line up pretty well. Oh, I guess I should have done it before and after for sound, huh? Might go back and do that. So I decided to go ahead and do the before and after sounds here with the factory Apollo muffler. Just kind of idling a little bit of revs. Okay. And actually we'll go ahead and pull this off while it's live, while it's, recording. You'll hear the difference when I pull this off. So there's no muffler at all. Of course, that's going to be super loud. Give it a little rev. So we'll do an after here with the new little eBay $20 muffler. Give that a little rev. And we'll go back to stock real quick to show you the difference. then we'll shut her down and I'll show you how to finish up this install. No big deal, easy peasy. Okay, we got the bike off and gonna just finish up this quick little install here. Says easy peasy, no big deal. We just need to slide this thing on here where it needs to line up with our mounting hole. And we need a little spacer in there, just like factory. Probably should have taken this off, but it's alright. A little finesse to get it right in there. Looks like our spacer is just a little long. Let me figure out what to do about that and I'll be right back. Okay, so how we're going to fix this problem with this original spacer being a little bit too long. What I'm going to do, that's the original spacer, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use some washers, stack them up just until they're a little bit shorter than this one. What's causing is it's causing not to be able to grab threads on the backside because this piece is a little too long. So you can grab these washers pretty much anywhere. A little kit like this with a bunch of different sizes, just a couple of bucks, Walmart or Home Depot or wherever. So might be a little bit more of a struggle to get these washers in there just because of the nature of having multiple things instead of one. But it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Just like that. Put that in there. Stick our nut on the back. No big deal. Tighten everything down and put the plastic back on and it should be good to go. Like I said, this seat plastic might obviously come off, but I'm getting around it just fine. So not a huge deal. Seems to be alright. Seems to still hold up just fine, so that's that. Sometimes a little WD-40 or something on here will help this slip back in. Didn't have any problem though, it just went right in. Put that back together there. Sometimes it's good to have a little bowl of parts and stuff around a little bowl to keep your parts in, keep your screws and nuts and whatever, but this time I didn't really need it, so. There it is. And there it is. And I will take you guys off of here, give you a little close-up. There's that. That's that little $20 eBay muffler. I think it was like $21 or something like that, shipped. And it took maybe, I don't know, a week to get here. And looks pretty good. And like I said, you'll get more info on this bike's build. The motor came from this bike, and the Kickstarter came from that bike, and just been kind of mixing and matching. And anyways, see you next time. Thanks.